Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharika Gajanayaka, a teacher at Leeds International School, Pangol. I hope you all safe at home. We have planned to do online teaching for you all. Today I am going to teach Primary 3 Mathematics 3rd midterm lesson. According to SOW content for 2019-2020, we have 3 lessons to cover. Lesson number 11, length. Lesson number 12, mass. Lesson number 13, capacity. When we come to the first lesson of third midterm, it is lesson number 11, length. Under this lesson, we have 4 subtopics to cover. 11.1, length in meters and centimeters. 11.2, length in kilometers and meters. 11.3, adding and subtraction lengths. 11.4, multiplying and dividing lengths. Now, as the beginning of our lesson, we are going to learn how to measure the length of an object. In our day-to-day life, we used to measure the length of various objects such as electric wires, cupboards, then ropes, clothes, etc. So, length means how long is an object. Now we are going to learn about the measurements of length in olden days. Handspan, finger width, arm length, fits. But none of these methods are standard units because they are different from person to person. To measure a length of an object, we use ruler, meter stick. With a ruler, we measure centimeter. With meter stick, we measure meter. To measure small length, we use centimeter. To measure standard unit, we use meter. Centimeter is denoted by cm. Meter is denoted by m. Now I'll show you some objects that we are using to measure centimeter, meter. To measure centimeter, we use a ruler. With a ruler, we can measure centimeter, centimeter denoted by cm. To measure meter, we can use meter stick. Meter is denoted by m. With a meter stick, we can measure meter denoted by m. Children, now we are going to learn about measure length of an object by using a ruler with centimeter. Children, please go and have a ruler to you. Okay, now have a look on the ruler. First, let's measure the length of the marker. Place the markers one end to the 0 and read the other end. It is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. Now let's measure these objects. Pen, mobile phone, candle. Children, go and get those objects near you for measure. This is a pen. Let's keep one end of the pen to the 0 point and read the other end. It is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. Now let's measure the mobile phone. This is a mobile phone. As we measured previous, keep one end of the mobile phone to the 0 and the other end is 14 centimeter. It is 14 centimeter. Finally, we will measure a candle. This is a candle. Place the one end of the candle to the 0 point. Other end, when you read, it is 9 centimeters. The candle is 9 centimeter. Children, a little homework for you. Measure these objects by using a ruler, a pencil, notebook, water bottle, your maths textbook, lunch box. Students, keep in mind that 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. That is mean, in this meter stick, you have 100 centimeters. 100. Then 100 centimeter, this is 1 meter. 100 centimeters you have in this ruler. 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Then guess 200 centimeter is what? 200 centimeter is 2 meters. Now, can you all guess these centimeters into meters? If 100 centimeter equals 1 meter, 200 centimeter equals 2 meter. Observe this. You can see there's a pattern. And can you all do this as a homework? Now, we will check this in other way. We learnt that 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. We can say this as 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Then 2 meters, 200 centimeter. Once again, look at what we learned. 100 centimeter means 1 meter. Then 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter means 200 centimeter. Can you all guess the other centimeters? There's a pattern. Observe the pattern and complete these also as a homework. Right. Now we will think that we have got a question saying write in meters and centimeters. You have got a question saying 135 centimeters. You have learned to separate a number in addition lesson, half lesson and mental skill lesson according to the sound of the number. Now you hear here 135 centimeter. See the sound you are hearing? 135. You hear. Look here once again. 135. 135. The way you hear the number, sound. 135. 135. 135. That means 100 centimeters, 35 centimeters. So, in the meter stick, you remember that you learned there are numbers till 100. So, 100 centimeters means we learn it is 1 meter. Then, this 35 is less than 100. Somewhere here you can see that this is not going till 100. So, this 35 we consider same way as 35 centimeters. So, our answer is 135 centimeter means 1 meter and 35 centimeters. It is very easy. Okay, we will practice another question. 240 centimeter. The question is asking write in meters and centimeters. So, as we did earlier, we are going to separate this or divide this into the sound of the number. 240 centimeter. 240 centimeters. 200 centimeters. 40 centimeters. 200 centimeter means 2 meters. 40 is less than 100. Then we are writing the 40 back again like this. Then our answer is 2 meters and 40 centimeters. Right, now we will practice some 5 questions. Okay, you all have to write these. I have given in centimeter. You are writing these in meters and centimeters as I taught you. Listen to the sound of the number, break it and then get it the answer and write the answer in front of the question. Write it in meters and centimeters. Right, now we are going to practice this in the other way. Write in centimeter. Students, you remember that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, right? So, this is the meter stick which has number still 100. This is 1 meter, okay? Now, you are getting a question 1 meter and they are giving you 32 centimeters. The question is asking you to write this whole number in centimeter. Right. Now, let's see how to convert this number into centimeter. So, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Look here, 1 meter, 100 centimeter. So, this is already given in centimeter. So, we no need of converting this. This is given in meter. So, we converted that into centimeter. But this is already given in centimeter. Then, we can write this in normal way. But, we cannot keep our answer like this. This is 100. This is 32. But, both are in centimeter. To get the final answer, we have to add these two numbers. Units and units are in the same place. Tens in the tens place. Then you put the adding sign and you are adding this number. Right. So, 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. And you write the 1 here. Then you have 132. Both are given in same units. That is centimeter, centimeter. So you write cm. Then you have our answer as 132 centimeters. So your answer is 132 centimeter. Now, we will practice another question. Write in centimeters. 2 meters, 15 centimeters. There are 2 different units. So, as we did earlier, we have to convert this into the same unit. So, 2 meters means 200 centimeter. Then, this is given in centimeter. We write it in normal way. Then as we did earlier, we have to add these two. 200 and this 15 we can add. These units in the units place, tens place and 2 is in the hundreds place. Then 0 in your mind, 5 fingers. If you take, it is 5. Or 0 plus 1 is 1. And you take these two down. Your answer is 215 centimeters, right? So this is also given in centimeter. This is also given in centimeter. We got the answer also in centimeter. So our answer is 250 centimeters. Kids, now we have completed the subtopic 11.1 length in meters and centimeters. So now you all can complete the exercises on page number 65. Question, try this. Page number 66. Question, try this. There are two questions on page number 65 and 66. Try this. So complete those two questions, and then you have on page number 69 on your own question. You all can complete these questions to check whether you have understood the lesson. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you all to see you all back again in the second video to continue the lesson. Once again, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hi students, once again we met with my second video clip. So now we are going to start 11.2 meters and kilometers. The bigger unit of length is kilometers, right? So kilometer is denoted by km. Kilometer is denoted by km, the bigger unit of length. And kilometer is used to measure the length of long distance such as roads. Students, you remember 100 centimeter means 1 meter. This 100 centimeter is 1 meter. When you place this one time, it is 1 meter. So when you place this meter stick 1000 times, then you get 1 kilometer. That's what we says kilometer is long distance such as roads. Normally we use kilometers to speak about roads. When you want to say the distance of a place, that means when you place the meter stick 1000 times, you get 1 kilometer. When you place the meter stick, how many times? 1000 times. Yes, when you place this like this, 1, then again to the other end like that, 2. When you keep this 1000 times, you get 1 kilometer. So when you place this one time, it is 1 meter. So we learned that 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. That is mean the meter stick, when you keep this like this and this for 1000 times, you get 1 kilometer. Then tell me, 2 kilometers means how much? 2 kilometers means you are placing the meter stick how many times? Yes, you are placing the meter stick 2000 times. That is mean 2 kilometers, 2000 meters, right? Can you see this? 1 kilometer, 1000 meters. 2 kilometer, 2000 meters. Now there is a pattern like we did meters, centimeters. Here also kilometers, meters also. You can see there is a pattern. Right, now we learn 1 kilometer, 1000 meters, 2 kilometer, 2000 meters. And you have some exercises given. You have to write 3 kilometers, how many meters, 4 kilometers, how many meters. Likewise, you all have to complete here as a homework. Okay, if we learn this in the other way, that's mean 1000 meters equal 1 kilometer. As I told, the meter stick we are keeping 1000 times to get 1 kilometer. Then 2000 meters equal to kilometers. Right. So 1000 meters 1 kilometer, 2000 meters 2 kilometer. Can you all guess 3000 meters? How much? Yes, you're correct. It is 3 kilometer. Can you all guess these also? Right. Copy down these numbers to your writing book and write the answers in kilometers. Students, now we have completed the 11.2 subtopic also. It is about learning meters and kilometers. So, after we learn this, there is an exercise on page number 72 on your own. You all can complete this exercise to understand the lesson more, to evaluate yourselves more, right? So, please complete the exercise on page number 72 on your textbook. Okay kids, now we are going to learn the third subtopic. Our third subtopic is adding and subtracting lengths. First we will learn adding of length. Adding of length we normally do in meters and centimeter is normal way that you all have learnt addition. You do the addition, then after that at the end you put the relevant unit or relevant centimeter or meter unit. Now let's solve this example. 32 meters and 47 meters add. Right. We have 32 meters, 47 meters. Right. So 2 plus 7 is 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then 79 meters. Right. Let's solve this example. 32 meters plus 47 meters addition. Same units, 32 meters, 47 meters. 2 plus 7. 2 in your mind, take 7 fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we got 9. Then 3 plus 4. 3 in your mind, 4 fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we got 79 meters. So, 32 meters plus 47 meters is 79 meters. Now we will try another question. 679 meters and 143 meters addition plus, right, both in the same unit. 679 meters, 143 meters. Okay, 9 plus 3, we always add with the units, then tens, then hundreds, starting with the units. Okay, 9 plus 3, that's mean 9 in your mind, take the 3 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. So when you have two numbers, 12 is 2 number, we give the first number up and then we write the 2 here. Then we add this 1 and 7. 7, the big number we normally keep in our mind. The big number is 7. 7 plus this 1 is 8. 8 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we put 1 here again. Put the 2 here. Right? Then we have 6 in your mind. Again, 1 finger. 6, 7, then this 8. Then our answer is 822. Normal way addition what you have learned. Then after that you only have to do is put the unit sign. Don't forget to put the sign. After you get the answer, definitely you have to give the sign. Now let's see with centimeters. 56 centimeters. For this we will add 14 centimeters. Right? Centimeters, 56 centimeters, 14 centimeters. Right. 6 plus 4. 6 in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again we have 2 units. Then what we do? We put the first one here and put the 0 here. Then after that we add these 2. 5 in your mind, 1 finger, 6. 6 plus this one is 7. Then it is 70 centimeters. So our answer is 56 centimeters, 14 centimeters. The answer is 70 centimeters. Okay, we'll try another one with centimeters. 472 centimeter and 381 centimeters. We have addition 472 centimeters, 381 centimeters, both in same units. 2 in your mind, 1 finger, 2 plus 1. 2 in your mind, 1 finger is 3. Then 7 plus 8. The big number is 8. So you can take 8 to your head and take the small amount to your hand. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then again we got 2 units, 2 numbers. Then we have this first one here. Then you put the 5 here, right? Then 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we write 8. Then after that you put the sign here. 473 centimeter plus 381 centimeter equals to 853 centimeters. Now you think you got a question mixing meters and centimeters. Right, now you have a question 2 meters 56 centimeters, 4 meters 32 centimeters. You have to add 2 meters and 56 centimeters, 4 meters and 32 centimeters. This is normal way addition. You normally start with the unit sign and continue your adding. Okay, you normally start with the right side and continue the adding. Don't think about these signs and all. Normal addition what you have learnt. Okay, 6 in your mind, 2 fingers. 6 to your mind, 2 fingers. 6, 7, 8. Then again 5 in your mind, take 3 fingers. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Here again we got 8. Then here you have 2. You can take it 2 to your mind and 4 fingers. All you can do is take the big number to the mind and small number to your hand. So what is the big number here? 4. Take the 4 to your mind. Then take the small number to your hand. The small number is 2. Then 4 in your mind. 2 fingers. 4, 5, 6. Then our answer is 6 meters and 88 centimeters. When you get a question like this, 1 meter 12 centimeters plus 1 meter 18 centimeters. Okay, you have a question 1 meter 12 centimeters plus 1 meter and 18 centimeters. How are you going to add this? What you do is, first you write the first set of length. Your first set of length is 1 meter and 12 centimeters. Then below that, under that, you write the second set of length. 1 meter 18 centimeters. Now what you do? You are adding these two as you have learned in normal way, right? Starting with the units or from the behind, right? So the big number is 8. So you send the 8 to your mind. You take this 2 to your hand. 8, 9, 10. Then 10 is 2-digit number. You send this one here. Then you put the 0 like this. 1, 2, 3. Then you put the 3 here. 1, 2. Put the 2. Then after that, the relevant unit sign or relevant length signs you have to put, and this is your answer. 1 meter and 12 centimeters plus 1 meter and 18 centimeters equals to 2 meters and 30 centimeters. Kids, now you all can do the question on page 74. Try this. You all can practice the 74 page question. Let's learn subtraction of length. To subtraction of length in meters or centimeters, we don't consider the unit. What you have to do, as you did the addition, first you have to do the normal way subtraction. Then after that, you take the unit sign, that relevant sign, and put. No, not to worry, just do the normal subtraction. Now we'll practice a question. 73 meters subtract 41 meters. From 73, you have to minus 41. Right. 3 minus 1. Take 3 fingers, cut 1 finger. You have 2. 7 minus 4. Take 7 fingers, cut 4 fingers. You have 3. Then your answer is 32 meters. 73 meters minus 41 meters is 32 meters. Now we are going to subtract from 782 meters 590 meters. As we have learned from that behind side, we are starting. 2 minus 0 is 2. Right? Then you have here 8. From 8, see whether you can cut 9. No, you don't have 9 here. Then you have learned this in primary 2 and in primary 3 addition subtraction lesson. So, as you have learned, remind that you borrow one from this one. You put that one here. And when you borrow, soon as you borrow, you have looked at this number. From 7, you gave 1 to the other side. Then you have to cut 1. Then it is 6. As you borrow, make it 6 here. Then you have here 18. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. There are two ways of doing that. First way is you can draw 18 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What you can do is draw 18 lines and cut the down having amount. You have 9 there. Then 9 lines cut. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. You have cut 9 lines. Then you have, what is the remaining? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then your answer is 9. Or else you can do in other way. The second way is you have here 9. Okay. From 9 till 18 you can count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, you have here 9 fingers. You put 9 here. So, right, the answer is 9. Then you have here 6, not 7, because you gave 1 there. 6. 6, cut 5, remaining is 1. Then you write 1 here. The units are meters, 192 meters. Right, now you think you have a question like this. 8 kilometers, 157 meters, subtract or minus 3 kilometers, 129 meters. 8 kilometers, 157 meters minus 3 kilometers, 129 meters. Okay, right? From 7, can you remove 9? No. Then you borrow. From here, this becomes 17, and from this 5, you have to cut 1. It is 4. Now, you have 17 minus 9. As I told, you all can draw 17 lines, cut 9 and see how much remaining. Or else, other way, from 9, count till 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are, I have folded 8 fingers. Then 8 here. Then you have 4. 4 cut 2 is 2. Then you have 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then you have 8 minus 3. 8 fingers, cut 3. You have 5 here. Then your answer is 5 kilometers and 28 meters. Now you all can practice. Try this page 77. Try this page 78. Try this page 79. And on your own page 80 and page 81 exercises. This is relevant for adding and subtraction of length. So you all can cover up these exercises too. Now we are going to learn multiplying and dividing of length. Okay, see, I have a ribbon. This ribbon, we will see the length of ribbon. Can you remember that we learnt? You take the ruler, keep at the 0 mark and measure. Okay, it is 8 centimeters. My ribbon is 8 centimeters. Now, I have 3 ribbons with the same length. Can you all see? I have 3 ribbons with the same length. Now, if I join these 3 ribbons, how long is my ribbon? I am going to check. So, to this, you can either add this 8 3 times, 8 plus 8 plus 8, but that is very difficult, and we have learned a simple way, times the tables. So as you all have learned 3 times table, what you can do is this 8 centimeter you can multiply by 3 times. Then it is easy that you can get the answer. How long when I join these 3 ribbons together? Okay. Then 3 times 8, or you have learnt 8 times 3. So the simple one is 3 times table. So 3 times 8 is 24. So you have one ribbon as centimeter. Then you give this answer also in the centimeter. Let's practice another one. I have a crayon. Okay, we'll measure. Oh, that is 6 centimeters. My crayon is 6 centimeters. Similarly, I have 4 crayons. I have colorful 4 crayons similar length. Right? So, I want to check when I join these 4 crayons, how long will it be? Right? So, as we learned, we can do 6 centimeter multiply by 4 because I have 4 crayons. I have 4 crayons. So, we multiply with 4. Then 6 times 4 or 4 times 6 is once again 24. Here you have centimeter. Then your answer also you end up with centimeters. Now you can try this question on page 82. We will learn now the dividing of length, right? I have a wire. This wire is 72 centimeters long. Can you see? I have a wire, right? This wire is 72 centimeters long. We will think, right? 72 centimeters long. I want to cut this wire into 8 parts. Cutting into 8. Like this, think I want to cut it into 8. But after I cut, I want to be each parts equal. So, before I cut, I should know one part how long. What is the length of one part? Other than cutting and checking, it is easy to know how long is one part. So, what I do is, I divide this by how many parts I need? 8 parts. I divide this by 8. 72 centimeters we are going to divide by 8. Then we can see one part how long. So, you have learned 8 times table. So, 8 times 9 is 72. Then one part is 9. What is the sign here? What's the units? Centimeter. Then your answer is 9 centimeter. You can cut the wire each one by measuring the length 9. Then you can get 9 centimeters. 9 into 8 or 8 times 9 is 72. I have a PVC pipe. Now, I measured this. This is 60 centimeters. I used my meter stick and measured. It is 60 centimeter. I want this to divide into, I want this to equally separate into 10 parts. How many parts? 10. So, when I want to divide this or separate this into 10 parts, I should know how much is a part. One part, how much? So, to that, I have to divide this by 10. So, you all have learned the 10 times table. Very easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So, 60 is 10 times 6. So, one part will be 6 centimeters. So, 6 centimeter is my answer. Okay kids, we have covered our length lesson. We learned measuring length with centimeters, meters. What is kilometer? You remember kilometer we used to roads. Then we learned addition, subtraction of length. Then after that multiplying and dividing of length. So we have learned these parts. You all can now complete the exercises relevant to this lesson. Page number 85 on the textbook and on workbook also length lesson, all the exercises, all the activities you all can complete. Children, I have completed your length lesson with 3 video clips. You all can watch those 3 video clips, get an idea about the lesson, complete all the exercises on the textbook and the workbook. So please watch all the 3 video clips. Whenever you have doubts, play it again and you can complete the exercises once again. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching all my video clips.